back, guys. Before I get the video started, I want to say sorry for the reason I was gone about 2 weeks. I didn't post anything on Instagram, Snapchat, or listen. I know you probably hear a whole bunch. I got cats. I got dogs right here. Yeah, I don't know what the cat's doing. I got cats. I got dogs sitting. So it's a little mess right now, guys. Bear with me. All right. But like I said, I had to go to California for a family emergency, so I wasn't able to post anything. I do apologize.
Sorry,
but
I'm not sure.
I got Alexa messing with me. Alright, so I do apologize, guys, but everything's going to be kind of, you're going to start seeing more content, right, with Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube a lot more. I just got a new camera with a mic that should be coming in tomorrow. So there's big things happening, all right, and I do appreciate you guys standing by. Please make sure you guys subscribe to the video, like, share the video, and help this channel get bigger. We do appreciate your support. So the video is my new diet plan, all right? It's intermittent fasting. So if you look at this picture right here, I am doing, as you can see, this is my week 1. All right, so my first week, I started about a week ago. This is my first week of me doing it. And now I'm going to start taking progressive pictures each week. And about probably 8 weeks, 9 weeks, all right, I'm going to show you the progression of my intermittent fasting. So there's different types of intermittent fasting people do. People do 1 day on, 1 day off of eating. But I'm just doing the traditional 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of not fasting. And I'm gonna see how that works. So this way, like I said, while you guys watching my videos, you'll see the transformation. Because like I said, I'm doing the videos. But in about 8 weeks or so, I'm gonna put a video where it's gonna show the pictures of me doing the transformation, and you guys can see it. So if you guys want to try intermittent fasting, you guys can see how it works from body to body, right? And there's plenty of other YouTube channels that actually have people who does the transformations. Everybody's body type is different, so you can see from my body type and see how it changes me and where I want started. If you look at this picture right here, this is when this was a couple of days before I started intermittent fasting. Yeah, I am kind of poking my stomach out, but this is the video before me starting the intermittent fasting. And obviously, I just want to do kind of like a before and after, so that's why I made those. Yeah, so anyways, if you guys want, I'll give you a little lowdown on my little diet. I still try to get all my fruits. You know, I need those fibers, those good sugars. So I get my fruits, obviously gonna have my vegetables. Having an intermittent fasting diet does allow for a less restrictive diet, but still I want to make sure I get all my nutrients in without taking any multivitamins. I want to get straight from the source. So I do eat a lot of raw food, as far as, you know, kind of like a raw diet a little bit. But if I do want to enjoy a pizza here and there, pasta here and there, I won't be ice cream, because I'll be on that every night. I do not need to feel guilty. The diet helps. Okay, so basically how intermittent fasting works is while you're fasting, you fast when you sleep, but you are burning that fat throughout the day. So your body is, think about your stomach, right? It's empty, so your body is running. Normally it'll run out the food that you consumed, but since there's no food in the reservoir, no food in your stomach, you're running on just fat. And so basically what it is, you're just running off just fat, just doing everyday activities. As long as you're not sitting like a couch potato, you're actually going out and working, it's going to help you tremendously. And if you're working out while you're fast, it's going to help you a lot. You're using those fat, you're using your stored fat as fuel for your body. You eat for 8 hours, at least that's what my diet plan is. I eat for 8 hours and I'm right back on. But doesn't mean, like some people who does this intermittent fasting, I read up on it, watched some videos on people, doesn't see the results they want because they use the 8 hours, eat a lot of bad food. So make sure you definitely get those fruits and vegetables in. You need those stuff. Okay? You need that fiber. You need a lot of water, so make sure you drink a lot of water. Tea, green tea, coffee, black, no creamer. That also helps. You can consume those while you're on your intermittent fasting diet. I just want to make a quick little video for you guys. Thank you for watching. Like I said, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And go ahead and post a comment down below. Let me know if there's anything you guys would like to see from the channel. And I'm definitely going to try to accommodate that. If you want to see my dog, Appa, you'll see him more. I'm just eating up a whole bunch of nothingness, chews and stuff. Oh, elbow. You got whatever it is. You're fine on this channel. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. PW. Peace.